Okay, this is the Keurig pod making coffee mill maker, and we showed you how to use it originally, but we picked up something here that's called hot chocolate. This is Starbucks hot chocolate, uses the little pods. Okay, I think we're going to make some hot chocolate. So first thing you want to do is make sure the water reservoir is up and it's good. Okay, turn it on like so. It'll warm up. Hear it? Sounds like it's ready. Okay, open your top here. Put your, I guess it's not. Looks like it's warming up now. There it is. Alright, open the lid. Put your pod in here like this. Okay, press that down all the way. Now it asks you which of the size cups you want to use. Well, I'm going to use this one. This is the medium size cup. So, large. Smells like it's cooking. Getting that water hot, I guess. I'm not much on using this. My wife is the one that likes the coffees in this. I'm not much of a coffee drinker, but I'm going to make this hot chocolate and we'll see how it does. Let's push the middle one here. Yeah, it sounds like it's about to start coming out. There it comes. See how this does. I think it's about through. There it is. It's done. Alright, I think we're going to let it cool off just a little bit and then we'll sample it and see how it is and let you know how it tastes. Alright, here we are. Hope this is cool enough to drink. Still pretty hot. I think we'll try it and see here. That's pretty good. Hot chocolate. You know, one way to cool it off is with a creamer. This is a Coffee Mate. Just to add a little bit of this to it and see how it tastes. A little bit like that. Okay, let's stir it up. I know it cools it off. See if it'll help you taste a little bit too. Hey, that does help the taste, yeah. I think I'll put just a little bit more. See how that does. Y'all try this. Let me know what you think about it. Coffee Mate. It's actually a coffee creamer. Let's see what it tastes like now. Hey, that's very good. I like that. I may have to sit here and drink this. That's good. If y'all have tried this, leave me a comment and let me know what you did to make it taste good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any of our videos that come out. We also have some more of these videos under cooking. There's also one on Sonic where we tried a lot of their Sonic food and drinks and all. Check them out. And we hope you can help support this channel. If you'd like to send us things to video, we'll open and video them for you and get them up here. Leave us a comment and we'll get you an address to send it to. If you'd like to make a donation, that's fine too. There's links to PayPal and Patreon, either one, in the description below. Everything helps. And hope you enjoyed this. And we'll see you next time. I'll drink a little bit more of this. Oh, that's good. I like that. Till next time.